In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to integrate Jotform with HubSpot CRM step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you collect leads or inquiries through online forms and want that data to automatically appear in HubSpot CRM, this integration can save you a lot of time. Let's start with a quick overview. Jotform is a form-building tool that lets you create contact forms, sign-up forms, and more. When you connect it to HubSpot CRM, every form submission can be sent directly into your HubSpot account as a contact, lead, or deal without any manual work. To begin, log into your Jotform account and open the form you want to connect with HubSpot. Once the form builder is open, look for the Settings option. Inside Settings, you'll see a section called Integrations on the left-hand side. Click on that to view all available integrations. From the list, find and select HubSpot. Jotform will then ask you to authenticate your HubSpot account. Simply follow the on-screen steps and allow access so Jotform can connect securely with HubSpot. After authentication, the next step is field mapping. This part is very important. You'll match each form field, like name, email, or phone number, with the correct fields in HubSpot CRM. This ensures the data goes to the right place. You can drag, select, or assign fields as needed until everything lines up correctly. Once the fields are mapped, review your setup to make sure it looks right. When you're ready, click Complete Integration to save your changes. That's it. From now on, whenever someone submits your Jotform, their information will automatically sync with HubSpot CRM. This makes managing contacts easier and keeps your data organized without extra effort. And that's how you integrate Jotform with HubSpot CRM. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.